Hey everyone, if you want to create professional landing pages quickly without coding everything from scratch, Bolt AI can help you build high-converting pages in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to create landing pages with Bolt AI from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Bolt AI website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create an account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and choose to build a website or landing page. This will open the AI-powered workspace where you can start generating your design. Next, write a detailed prompt describing the landing page you want. For example, you might create a landing page for a software product, online course, mobile app, consulting service, or e-commerce offer. Be specific about the sections you want included. Common landing page elements include a hero section, features area, testimonials, pricing section, call to action buttons, FAQs, and contact forms. And that's how to create landing pages with Bolt AI in 2026. With AI-powered design and development tools, you can launch professional landing pages much faster than traditional methods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.